Question is, consider the following species: Cn plus, Cn minus, NO and Cn. Which one of these will have the highest bond order? So first we need to calculate the bond order for all of these. The bond order for Cn is equal to Cn plus is equal to half of 4 minus 0, which is equals to 2. For Cn minus, it's equal to half of 6 minus 0, that is equal to 3. For NO, it's half of 6 minus 1, that is equal to 2.5. For Cn, it's equal to half of 5 minus 0, that will be equal to 2.5 again. So the highest bond order is for Cn minus, and hence the answer is option number 2.